Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at Systeme.io and if it is the right funnel builder or not for you. Guys, Systeme.io for me has been the foundation for everything that I'm doing with affiliate marketing. But I'm going to share with you why I think so and if this is the right suitable option for you. Now, there are other funnel builders out there. There are other systems out there you can get for free, you can get for paid. Let's just go over my views on Systeme.io first and foremost, and then if it's right for you. So we're going to hop onto my computer and share with you a little bit more. Awesome, guys. Here I am on my screen. And before I go ahead and share with you exactly about Systeme.io, I wanted to give you an idea of what exactly my whole affiliate marketing business is set up is like. And if you do want to get started, definitely what I can share with you. So first and foremost, if you're on this channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. My name is David Pindo, as I said before. They also call me Tips with Dave. And I created this channel to document my journey with affiliate marketing, but more than anything else, also to give you guys the tips that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. So what that means is basically whatever I'm doing online to share it with you in order for you to generate then income for yourself or however you want to take this information and then pursue your goals. I hope this channel gives you value more than anything else. And if you do like the content that you are seeing in this video, I recommend you to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos that I post. Every single Wednesday, I talk about specifically my automation process, how I spend less time online in a smart manner so that I'm spending less time online. I want to live my life. I do have a full-time job. I do affiliate marketing on the side, and therefore I love to share this journey with you guys. So if that's something that's interesting for you, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. So let's go ahead and just talk about my strategy. Here is my strategy, guys. Step one in the whole entire process is specifically a cash flow generating step. On Mondays, I talk about this cash flow generating step. So if you haven't yet seen those videos, you can hop onto a Monday's video and see the whole process in action. And then step two is what we're looking at right now. So step two is a funnel that you build. It's a whole sales process that you are creating for yourself. And it also using a tool like Systeme.io, it automates the whole process. Now you can use multiple tools out there. When I got started with affiliate marketing online, I've used so many different funnel builders out there. I've used Power Lead Systems. I've used Online Sales Pro. I've used ClickFunnels. I've used Aweber, GetResponse. So all of these are autoresponders and funnel builders that help you actually collect the lead, because our goal as an affiliate marketer is two things. One is definitely to be advertising another person's product or service in order for you to get a commission. That is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. But also at the same time, besides advertising, it's also copywriting. You're building your fundamental objective as an affiliate marketer is to build your asset, is to build your email list. And that's what a funnel builder can do for you. Now you can have a traditional website as well, but always with whatever you see out there, collecting data, collecting your email address is important, collecting the information so that you have an audience to speak to. So I can have a YouTube video, I can have a Facebook post, I can have TikTok channel, etc. But if I'm not collecting or owning that advertising or that traffic or that information, then it's going to be difficult for me to actually scale up my business in the long term. So we're looking at tips to not help you make money just now or not help you, with affiliate marketing in the now, but it's also to help you in 5 years time, in 6 years time, in 10 years time. So that's why personally I have this whole process in place. So I added step one just because I use paid advertising because I spend less time online. Now, if you want to know more about that, I have a video on Friday that I talk about it. You'll see actually November's results for you guys on Friday, but then the next videos are going to be about specifically the strategy. So the entire whole process that I've set it up is very simple process. And I think anybody can get started doing this on the side simply by putting this process into place. Besides that, if there comes a time where you want to scale up at any point of time, make it a little bit more complicated, a little more advanced, you're going to get the opportunity to do that as well. But in the meantime, you're learning skills that help you literally pave the way for your dreams to come true. So that's what I believe in my entire strategy. And you can see step two is advertising to a sales process and then building an email asset as well, which is going to be your email list. Now, with all of this before, just to give you guys an understanding, before I was spending about $200 per month just to keep this system running. Now you can get started actually for free. Systeme.io is not the only tool out there. I'm just going to share with you. There are other tools as well out there. Leads Leap is one of them. Power Lead System is one of them. Online Sales Pro. I don't mind naming all of these ones because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what tool you use. It matters how you actually implement the process. Obviously, the different tools out there are based, funnel builder tools out there are based on your needs. It's up to you what is the best needs for you. in my perspective, Systeme.io has everything that you need, and you can get started for free. So if you're worried about costs in the beginning and not understanding the process, etc., you can get Systeme.io. You can go to their free training itself, and you can have an idea of what the platform can do for you. And all of this while literally collecting email addresses up to 2,000, so contacts up to 2,000, and building your sales process. Now, what are the features? Just to give you a little bit of an overview, right? So first and foremost, you have a sales funnel process, which is what we're talking about here. We're building a sales funnel, email marketing, website, affiliate program, business automation, evergreen webinars, online courses. I am personally using this platform absolutely for free. So I'm using Systeme.io right now absolutely for free, but I will be going to the paid plans soon. And I'm using it as a sales funnel. I'm using for my email marketing. I'm using it as for business automation. I'm using it to sell online courses, and I'm using it for blogging as well. So I'm using one tool for 5 options, which otherwise I would need to spend on WordPress. I would need to spend on Aweber. I would need to spend on a sales funnel builder. I would need to spend on maybe other things that are there involved. Here, however, I just need to spend on Systeme.io, which is absolutely for free. And at the most, guys, at the most, buying a domain, which is $12 a year if you want, you can get a domain. So it's quite cost effective if you think about it, starting a business from as a side hustle, right? So that's why I personally use Systeme.io. Just to let you know, in case you want to get started with Systeme.io, there's going to be a link in the description which will take you to the free option. You just enter your email address and stuff like that. But in the second link in the description will also be to my course, which is Affiliate Marketing Essentials. And just to give you guys an idea, it covers this entire strategy in detail. So exactly what you should be doing, what I have been doing first and foremost, and I continue to do this every single week, every single day. Step 1 in terms of building a cash flow, so starting to get those commissions in, and then exactly step 2, which is, how to build a landing page, how to build a bridge page, how to have your email set up and everything like that. In this part of the automation course, as you can see, Affiliate Marketing Automation Essentials, this is a whole Systeme.io training in itself. In addition, obviously, it's a Systeme.io training with my strategy that I'm sharing with you guys, and it's only for €1. So if you guys want to get started, the link will be in the description. You can just, go to the strategy and get it yourself. However, all of that being said, the entire course is supposed to give you a foundation that helps you then build up in any way. And like I said, I'm trying to make it a easier course to go through because it's a strategy that first and foremost I implement myself. I'm actually doing this on a daily basis, and I'm showing you it in this strategy. Now, the additional thing, what you're going to get, and let me show you this just to give you an idea. I want to show you guys the actual part of this course so that you see. It gives you an overview first and foremost of Systeme.io right here. You can register for Systeme.io right here, but you will also get a free 2-step funnel. Yes, I'm not joking about that, guys. Yes, you will get a free 2-step funnel, which basically will give you entire setup. So it will give you this entire setup of a landing page, thank you page, which you can send then to any offer you want at the end of the day if you're following that strategy, and as well emails that you will be able to get eventually with this whole structure. So I show you how to write emails. I show you how to go about doing everything, setting up your custom domain, email address, everything here, and then also some other resources. So this course is about 11 videos, if I'm not mistaken. Very valuable course in my opinion, way more benefits than just €1. But at the end of the day, you're learning how to use Systeme.io itself. It's a very simple tool. Just to give you guys an understanding, if I log in, you'll see this is just, I just launched my course, guys, but I built this course with Systeme.io. So like I said, you can easily build the funnels right here. All you need to do is create funnels. Once you get the free method, you just create funnels. And then you can build an audience. You can do it for a custom. You can do it for a webinar. You can do it for a sales. It really depends on if you want a physical product or service. And then you build this whole entire process. So the funnel builder in itself is up to mark with all the funnel builders that are out there. It's actually getting more and more advanced as time goes by. So for me, Systeme.io, not just for the features that you can get as a freemium member as they call it, but also just in general about the steps that are there. So you can have 15 pages. As you can see, I have around 11 pages made right now. I have one blog, one course is done, one automation tool is done, workflows, tags, so much of automation that can be done with Systeme.io. Systeme.io. So in my opinion, as a funnel builder itself, it is on par with ClickFunnels. It's on par with GrooveFunnels. It's on par with a lot of huge funnel builders out there. It's a good software in itself. And as I said, they're improving as time goes on. But the best part about this funnel builder is that it's free to get started. And at the same time, if you ever want to decide to, for example, let me go to the student dashboard. You can see right here, they have a whole certification where you have 29 lessons where they go through everything with you, literally from the starting to the end, how to use a tool, and then you can plan it as you wish. Obviously, I suggest the strategy that I'm following because it's A, getting your cash flow, B, it is creating an automation for yourself. And all of this I do with literally 30 minutes a day. The most amount of time that you actually need is setting up that funnel, creating that funnel. So let me just show you very, give you a snippet of the free funnel that you're going to get. You get basically 4 pages right here. The first one, let me show you how it looks, this is the thank you page. Let me just show you. This is the first one, which is basically how to collect the lead with a pop-up and everything that's there. Then you have right here a thank you page, which is basically a strategy that I follow, which I share with you guys. I gave you some proof. If you want to change the offer, you can change the offer. You can change these images. It's very simple. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then I'm also going to give you access to both these. And now how to use it is all explained in the course. So in case you want to get it, please do get the course. It's, again, as I said, €1. It's up to you if you want to actually get started or not. I cannot guarantee any success, by the way. This is not, you will be guaranteed to make money. It is for you to learn the skill sets. This is why this course has been created. This is why I'm giving you these resources. And let me show you how to build the funnel. So just to show you the funnel builder itself, I go to edit page. You can, add, you can add text, you can add headlines, bullet points, all these media. So these are the normal things, but it's drag and drop. So say you want to add like a Facebook comments or Twitter comments or a survey at the end of the day. All you need to do is drag and drop, literally. I don't know whether that's already there. So let me check. No. Oh yeah, here it is. So you can add a survey to the whole thing. So in case that's, your way of doing it. So say what you want, and then it takes them to the offer, like the answers of the question, take them to a specific offer. Or a step. That's also possible. So this is quite a powerful tool to have as a basic tool, but also if you want a little more advanced strategies. So let's say somebody takes a survey in itself, right? So if you want an advanced strategy, you can have that as well. You can put form inputs, buttons, checkboxes, all of these things combined, as you can see right here. It's got very good information. And then obviously having an FAQ section also is quite cool. So I'll just show you how the FAQ looks. And you can add all your product and how does your product work and everything else right here. So that's in case you're building it. But even as an affiliate, as you can see, I created a bridge page with this tool itself. And it's a very simple bridge page, but it's a very powerful bridge page as well. It even has the countdown time and everything. So in terms of funnel builder, it's by far, in my opinion, the best. You can save blocks, you can save parts of your funnel. And if you want to, copy it into different things, or if you want to create price plans or so on and so forth. So for example, here, you can create some price plans if you want to have it. So they have quite a powerful system in itself, and it's really up to you if you want to get started or not. I'm going to leave links below to both the course as well as the funnel itself. You can find the information below. All you need to do is click on the link that you see in the description, add your name if you want the course, and your email address, and that's it. But Systeme.io, guys, is absolutely free to get started with. Think about it. If this makes sense for you on a Wednesday, I talk about it. Today, I just wanted to give an introduction because I have spoken about Systeme.io in the past. I have gone through different trainings in the past. But at the end of the day, we're in December. I wanted to give you guys the foundation of my business. This is the ground zero. I send out emails every single day if I want to. This is on a promotion for the course that is out, as you can see right here. I sent a newsletter, but I have campaigns that are now a new campaign that I've just posted, which is 22 emails, but I'm adding more this week. So it will be around 38 emails, about 2 months worth, 1.5 months of worth of emails that are going to be there. But yes, that is so valuable in itself to have. It's an all-in-one tool, honestly. And I can't believe all of this is for a cost of $0 per month getting started. Guys, it gives you the right tools. It gives you the right setup. and it gives you also the right skill sets to understand how funnel builders are. And I think every funnel builder should be making this kind of goal or this kind of target to their customers. And why do you have to pay for a software when they're just getting started? Obviously, they will scale up if you provide the value that's needed. They will be buying the plans. I will be buying the next plan. Why? Because it makes sense for me. So if you want to get started with Systeme.io, as I mentioned, links are in the description. This was just an introduction video that I wanted to shoot and let you guys know. Everything else, you can find the resources below. And if you have any questions about Systeme.io, feel free to ask them so that I can answer them on next week's video. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.